Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming physical and basic software prerequisites. Ensure the adapter is plugged in or seated and power is on. Open Device Manager and scan for unknown devices or warning icons. This shows whether Windows recognizes hardware. Restart your computer and the router or modem. This clears transient issues and isolates whether the adapter or the network is at fault. Once done, note if other devices can connect. That tells you if the problem is local to your adapter or the network itself. Next, focus on the software layer. Uninstall the adapter in Device Manager, reboot, and allow Windows to reinstall it or manually install the latest driver from the manufacturer. If drivers look current but issues persist, run network commands. Open an elevated prompt and run netwinsock reset, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, and ipconfig/flushtons to clear stack and IP conflicts. Make sure to try both automatic Windows Update and the vendor's driver package, so firmware and driver mismatches are avoided. Finally, address power and environmental factors. In Adapter Properties, disable power saving that lets the system turn off the device. Use a different USB port or a powered hub to rule out low power. Test the adapter on another computer to confirm hardware failure. If software changes cause trouble, roll back the driver or restore Windows to a recent working point. If none of this works, the key troubleshooting tip: swap in a known good adapter to distinguish hardware failure from persistent system-level problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.